a dwarf planet. Pluto has always been a mystery for scientists. It is cold, it is dark, plus it is located in the farthest corner of the solar system. But now it's in the news. Pictures of Pluto's surface have been published by NASA. They show giant ice volcanoes on the surface. What does this discovery mean? Does it hint at the possibility of life on Pluto? Our next report tells you.
This is the edge of our solar system. It's cold, dark, and uninhabitable. Hurtling through this void is Pluto. Once a planet, now downgraded to dwarf status. Pluto is often called the icy world. Its surface dotted by mountains, valleys, and according to new pictures, giant ice volcanoes. These images are the best we have. They were captured by NASA's New Horizons mission. Guess when? Way back in 2015. After 7 years, scientists finally got a peek. What they saw astounded them. Around 10 ice volcanoes were spotted on Pluto's surface, each around 7 kilometers tall. Nothing like this exists anywhere in the entire solar system. Our volcanoes are hot and smoldering. They are made up of gas and molten rocks, but not the ones on Pluto. The ice volcanoes were made by frozen liquids like ammonia and water. When did these ice giants appear? Scientists believe they emerged in episodes. The youngest volcano seems to be 100 to 200 million years old. Not exactly calendar friendly, but consider this. Pluto itself was formed 4.5 billion years ago. In that context, the volcanoes are young. Now this raises many questions. 1. How is icy Pluto keeping a volcano brewing? The planet's average temperature is minus 232 degrees Celsius, too low for a volcanic activity. Unless our assumptions are wrong. Perhaps Pluto's core is warmer than we think. Question number 2. We said the ice volcanoes were formed by frozen liquids. Does that mean Pluto once had oceans? What if those oceans are still flowing beneath the surface? Again, it's a possibility. These questions have excited scientists. They know where this path leads. Volcanoes mean warmth. Oceans mean water. Put together, there's a real possibility that Pluto once had warm water. Perhaps it still does. And where there is warm water, there is always a chance of life. This discovery changes everything we know about Pluto. It was always the renegade planet, cold and dark, skirting around the edges of the solar system, too small compared to its neighbors. But who knows, maybe that tiny Pluto holds the key to interplanetary life.
Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Pluto, the dwarf planet that has captured our imagination. In 2015, the New Horizons space probe made history by providing us with the most detailed images and data of Pluto and its moons. Let's explore what New Horizons discovered and why these findings are so exciting. Before New Horizons, our best view of Pluto was a blurry image. But after a 9-year journey, New Horizons flew by Pluto, revealing its stunning features. Pluto, much smaller than our moon, is located in the Kuiper Belt, a distant region filled with asteroid-like objects. The mission's goal was to get close-up images of Pluto, and on July 14, 2015, New Horizons achieved just that, flying only 12,500 kilometers from its surface. One of the most striking features New Horizons captured is the heart-shaped region known as Sputnik Planitia. This ice plain, about the size of Texas, is composed mainly of nitrogen ice, which flows like glaciers on Earth. The surface temperature on Pluto averages -229 degrees Celsius, making water ice extremely hard and brittle. The mission also revealed vast mountain ranges made of water ice, which appear spectacular due to Pluto's low gravity. Pluto's largest moon, Charon, is also unique. It orbits very closely to Pluto, and both bodies are tidally locked, always showing the same face to each other. Charon's surface is darker and covered in water ice, contrasting with Pluto's nitrogen ice. The interaction between these two creates a fascinating dynamic. One of the most amazing discoveries was Pluto's thin atmosphere, composed of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. This atmosphere has up to 20 distinct haze layers, creating beautiful light effects and shadows. The data also suggest that Pluto might have had a hot start, which could mean it once had a subsurface ocean. In addition to the stunning visuals, New Horizons also revealed that Pluto's surface is geologically active. The presence of cryovolcanoes, such as Wright Mons, indicates that there might be ongoing processes beneath the surface. These ice volcanoes could be contributing to Pluto's young surface, constantly renewing and reshaping the landscape. Moreover, the mission shed light on Pluto's other moons. The smaller moons like Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx are irregularly shaped and have unique rotational patterns. These findings suggest that Pluto's moon system is more complex and intriguing than previously thought. In addition to the stunning visuals, New Horizons also revealed that Pluto's surface is geologically active. The presence of cryovolcanoes, such as Wright Mons, indicates that there might be ongoing processes beneath the surface. These ice volcanoes could be contributing to Pluto's young surface, constantly renewing and reshaping the landscape. Moreover, the mission shed light on Pluto's other moons. The smaller moons like Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx are irregularly shaped and have unique rotational patterns. These findings suggest that Pluto's moon system is more complex and intriguing than previously thought. The New Horizons mission has significantly expanded our understanding of Pluto and the Kuiper Belt. It showed us that even the most distant worlds are full of surprises. Stay tuned to Galactic Voyage for more incredible space discoveries. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Love you all. See you next time.